Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter S from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start on the top right, and we're going to draw a curve out to the left, back down, around, and up. Now from the top right, let's curve it back around. And now let's follow that same S curve all the way to the bottom. And then at the end, let's close it off with a curve. Now that we have the basic shape of the letter S, let's add the face next. Inside, let's add an S-shaped curve for the mouth. Now let's move up and add the eyes. We'll start with a curve over like this. Bring it up on both sides. And then a curve to close off the top. Now let's do the same thing for the right eye. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. Now inside each eye, let's add a curve across. And then underneath on the right, a bent line. And then color them both in black. And that's it for the letter S. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!